Maraming salamat because we know everyone's schedule is busy, especially over the past weekend na napaka-abala, but we all are here. Thank you all. We know we are joined by first our friends from the press, our sports writers, our lifestyle bloggers are also with us. Maraming salamat. Friends from East West are with us. Let's all give them a round of applause. Siyempre, Run Rio team and our run clubs, very much represented. Special mention yung mga run clubs. I want to say hello to District 2 Run Crew. Get Fit Run Crew is also here. Easy Run Club, UP Dreamers, Rockwell Run Club. Maraming salamat. I'm Riza Diaz and thank you again for joining us. We're so excited. I am very excited because this afternoon we get to share some exciting news, new details on why the East-West Dream Run 2025 Manila Leg is something to be looking out for. May bagong experience, a new challenge for our runners. Later on, we'll find out more about those details. But some numbers to digest while you're enjoying your very delicious food. You know, this year marks the 30th year of East West. So palakpakan naman natin sila. One milestone. But not only that, Philinvest Group, their parent company, is also celebrating 70 years in business. And so this event, this run is a reflection of what Further for You of East West is all about. It is creating opportunities, moving people forward, connecting each other and taking part in something meaningful and something energizing and exciting. And this run is going to be that and more. Now, to give us a little taste of what June 15 is going to be. By the way, just for the information of everyone, we already had two very successful legs in two key cities. Last May, or rather April 6, we were in Davao. We also had a very successful leg in Cebu no May 4, where we gathered about 6,000 runners all together. And you'll see all kinds of runners. May mga newbies, may mga seasoned athletes. There's the ones, you know, leisurely running on a weekend with their friends and family, or even with their fur babies. So that's something again to look forward to coming to Manila on June 15 for the Metro Manila leg. But a little taste on how vibrant this run is going to be. By next month, we are going to have a little warm-up session, and we encourage you all to join us. I know we're a little challenged with the space, but we can all do this. So with this, I'd like to invite for our warm-up, please give a round of applause for East West Running Club's very own East West Milers, led by Attorney Caris Ramos.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. May I request everyone to stand up for the
so that we make room for more food. From East West Head of Marketing, friends, let's all welcome Mr. Martin C. Reyes.
Hi, good afternoon. So Lisa, since we're talking, nag-warm up ka na ba?
Hindi nga po ko nakasali, sir.
Yung warm up natin muso eh. Sorry. Anyway, thank you guys for coming. Good afternoon to everyone. I hope everyone has food and drinks. No need for coffee. So I expect to see the running clubs proudly show their banners. Kasi in Davao and in Cebu, the winners were really proud of their clubs. Nakaganyan sila ng mga flags or banners nila. So they were very excited, enthusiastic, and happy to be there. So let me now read my speech. As you know, the Manila leg of the East-West Dream Run marks the final stretch of our series this year. Following the successful events in Davao and Cebu last April and May, I had the chance to witness firsthand how enthusiastic the people that joined. No? So we had around 6,000 runners, but the actual number is more than 6,000 because for Davao and Cebu, it became a very family event. No? So when you walk around, aside from the runners, you see their families there, their kids, the young kids, and those without kids, they brought their dogs with them. So masaya. So naging family event. So it's about community, it's about bonding, it's about spending time together. So we saw all kinds of participants. No? I even witnessed a young dad with a 2-year-old toddler. Hindi sila sumabay sa mga runners, hindi ba masagasaan yung bata eh. So, but you will see the father encouraging the son to run. So it's their way of getting to know each other and trying to see and to initiate the son into athletics. So that I think is something that is a dream for both the father and the son. I hope paglaki nung son, gusto ka rin tumakbo. Kasi minsan magkaiba yung direction ng father and son. So some were running their first kilometer, while others completed all 30. Each one showed up with a reason, and that shared sense of purpose is what gives the series its meaning. It's a rare kind of spirit, and one the band is proud to help bring to life. Now we turn our focus to the Philinvest City, right here in Metro Manila, as part of, because we're part of the Philinvest group. So we're celebrating our 30th year. After celebrating this 30th year, Philinvest naman will be celebrating its 70th year. So expect more activities, and we'll probably invite you for the activities of that group of companies. So East-West is especially proud to close the series, these 3 series, in a place that's part of our own story. I know that our community here, from loyal clients to our dedicated East-West bankers, to runners of all backgrounds, will once again show up with energy and purpose. The East-West Milers, our very own running club, are also showing their support from joining us at the launch today, cheering on fellow runners and East-West bankers during the event itself. The East-West Dream Run is part of how, again, I'll explain why we're celebrating our 30th year and the Philinvest 70th year. It's our chance to be present in the communities we serve. So, I invite you, my media friends, to, aside from if you don't want to run, just experience the event. Go around, see the families, see how people interact with their kids, with their loved ones, and also their pets. Nakakatuwa siya talaga. This event gives us the space to move, connect, and show up for one another. We hope to have more opportunities like this, where we won't just hold events, but we build moments, for people to remember. That brings them together, people that you'll actually see, so their families there. But also you see people making friends. So people that are strangers, because from the start pa lang, ang sikip eh. Like here, masikip. So instead na magkasikuhan, magkaibigan na sila pagkatapos. So since last year, we've made it a point to stay in touch with our media friends through gatherings like this. So expect to hear from us again. So asan ba si Mehan? So Mehan's one of my people will have more lifestyle events. That's her. She used to be thinner, but because I'm giving her a lot of job, now she has to run to get rid of the stress. A big thank you to Coach Rio, kasi si Coach, and his team for making this series possible across 3 cities. So let's see how we can make it even bigger for Alabang in the next year. We also thank our partners and sponsors for standing with us and helping make the East-West Dream Run something people are excited to be a part of. And I'd like to encourage our friends from the media to really publicize this event because we also have a lot of research. Since COVID, a lot of people are so concerned about their health, and they want to be at the peak of their health to be able to combat any forms of illnesses. So this is one form of way to encourage people to be healthy, and also part of the health comes from interactions, social interactions, and this is a perfect venue for these social interactions that improves a person's mental health. So Dream Run, okay. So a big thank you. We also thank our partners, I said that, helping me, okay. To our fellow East-West banker, thank you for everything you've done, from planning to coordination to making sure that each leg runs smoothly. And of course, to our media friends, thank you for the consistent support. We'll make sure to give you more stories to publish. Hindi naman si Mitch. Mitch, dalawang daw a day stories. Not just for the East-West Dream Run, but for helping us share the bank's milestones and stories along the way. We truly appreciate having you with us through and through. So Coach Rio, we'll now walk you through the Manila leg in more detail. Hope to see you all at the Philinvest City Alabang on June 15. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Martin Reyes, Head of Marketing for East-West. Also, we'll be running on June 15. Sir Martin, tatakbo rin po sa June 15.
I will walk kasi I was told by my doctor to lessen the hard impact on my knees. Medyo nasobrahan eh. But I'll be there.
Alright, thank you again, Mr. Martin Reyes. He will be back later on. We'll make room for questions. But as Martin has mentioned, let's talk about the details of the run. And no better person to explain to us than the organizer, the proud organizer of this race, making sure that every race that they are organizing is of global standard. Ladies and gentlemen, President and CEO of Run Rio Inc., Coach Rio de la Cruz.
Thank you, Lisa. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today. When I learned about the gathering for this day, I actually immediately requested to our partner East-West to invite also our run clubs, because we noticed that one of the big factor of growing the community is because of run clubs. No? Prior to the pandemic, there's a running boom, but this time is actually bigger than before. And the reason for that is because of you guys. So that's why we want you to be part of this event, and we always want to partner with you. But of course, our press, that our partner, always naman na kapag meron tayong mga press con, we invited them. But this time, we want bigger with the Run Clubs. And we are hoping na you can invite your members. I believe we will be giving discount for the members. No? So for those who are attending here, na mga Run Clubs, we will be giving a discount for your members. And we will be giving some of that information from our event manager. So thank you so much for that. And I hope you enjoy your food. So I will run through you the event. No? So last year, actually medyo matagal na namin itong pinaplan with East-West when they approached me. And the way to celebrate it, we want it to be bigger and consistent, no? And we want to touch base with other locations. That's why we came up with bringing it also to Davao and Cebu, which is growing community as well. So again, as I mentioned a while ago, running boom is not only in Manila, but also in other places in our country. So which is very good because we are actually helping other people to have a healthy lifestyle through running. And kayo po yung mga ambassadors namin. No? And yung success ng mga races namin is because of you. So as you can see, yung aming title is East-West Dream Run. No? So yung aming design po for our singlet and t-shirt, Dream Catcher, and also the medal. So our team from East-West and our team from Run Rio actually work really hard for the design. And the design of the singlet, t-shirt, and medal is actually different from Cebu and Davao. So hindi siya reuse. So kung meron tumakbo ng Davao, ibang design or color yung makukuha nila sa Cebu. And also different rin dito sa Manila or sa Philinvest. So we have multiple categories. So we have 1 kilometer for our dog. Kasi medyo nauuso na din ngayon. Actually, for the past races na ginagawa namin, siguro yung mga number of participants na nag-join sa mga dog categories between 300 to 500. So it's actually growing. And nakakatuwa kasi mayroong mga establishment na wini-welcome natin yung mga fur babies natin. So it's time for us to include them as well, lalo na sa mga kasamahan natin ng mga runner na mas na-enjoy nila, nakasama nila yung dog. So meron tayong 1 kilometer. And also we want to touch base as mentioned by Sir kanina na we want this to be a family event. So that's why we have this 2 kilometer run for family or kids. So yung parents pwede nilang samahan yung anak nila to run yung 2 kilometer. So similar to Davao and Cebu, same categories ito. And then meron tayong 5 kilometer, and then 10 kilometer, and then 30 kilometer. So nag-skip kami ng 21K kasi we want to focus on the 30th year anniversary ng East-West. So that's why it's 30 kilometer. So hoping if mag-continue to next year, no, siguro magdadagdag na tayo ng 21 kilometer. So, but for this time, we just want to highlight the 30 kilometer na yun yung distance natin. And I think meron ng mga marathon, upcoming marathons na pwede natin gamitin yung 30K as long run. So bakit 30K? It's significant din nito sa running or sa training. If you run your marathon, yung 30 kilometer, ito yung very challenging. No? Physically, mentally. So ito yung tinatawag natin the wall. So between 30 to 32 kilometer. So normally if you're running your marathon, you want to run 30 or 32 kilometer at least 1 month before para you test your capability, test your feeling, kung kakayanin ba, and then you can adjust. So you can actually use this for those upcoming races, no, na natin. So if you run your 30 kilometer, we will be giving you a finisher's t-shirt. So yun po yung t-shirt natin na ibigay natin. No, so yung 30K natin will start at 2:30 a.m. Yung 10K is 4 a.m. 5K is 5 a.m. 2K natin is 6 and yung ating 1K dog category is 6:30 a.m. So yung venue po natin sa Philinvest. As you know, yung Philinvest po ay sister company ng East-West. So gaya po sa Cebu, ginawa po namin sa City de Mare na pagmamayari din po ng Philinvest. And of course, yung Philinvest ay sikat din naman na running destination dito sa NCR. And maraming races din na nagaganap dyan. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with it. But yung ating specific location ng ating start and finish, yung start natin sa Philinvest event ground, nasa ano to, sa Bridgeway Avenue. And then yung finish natin sa may Spectrum Midway. So separate yung start and finish pero nandun lang din sa area. So yung 30 kilometer, multiple rounds lang siya. If I'm not mistaken, parang 2 or 3 loops siya sa Philinvest. So similar sa mga races na ginagawa doon kapag more than 10 kilometer kasi limited siya. But we want to make sure na fun siya kapag pinakbo mo yung 30K. So meron tayong mga support and of course we will be providing you with hydration, sports drink along the route. Recently, si Gatorade nag-approach siya. So they want to support since meron 30K. So at least makakatulong sa mga participants natin. And then, meron din tayong cash prizes, no? For per category. So 1K, 2K, 5K, 10K, and 21K. So aside from the cash, of course, we will be having some mga gift from East West. Last time yung sa Cebu namin, nag-provide tayo ng yung yung battle, yung parang container battle ng so special special na gawa. So we are targeting 6,000 runners for this event on June 15, and currently we are in almost 4,000. So we have still 1 month to go, and we believe now we can reach that one with, of course, with your help. So that's why we are here today. We are asking you guys to support us, run with us, and invite your members or run club members to join us. So we have a lot more of surprises during the run and some activity and awarding sa race natin. So for that, if you have any questions, I think we can do Q&A.
Alright. Thank you very much, Coach Rio de la Cruz. Please stay with us. Sir Martin can also join, please. And if you have more questions, raise your hand, and then I'll just make my way around the cafe for the microphone. Anthony Severino has a question, of course.
Risa! Yes. Sorry, one more before ko mag-question. May good news lang ako, kinonfirm ko lang kasi baka magkamali ako. So lahat ng nag-attend, especially yung gustong tumakbo, we will be giving you a free race ticket.
Wow!
Third game. Joke lang, any distance. So, lalo na yung mga press natin, gusto natin silang ma-experience din, no? So, we can run 2K or if you want to...
Coach Bernadette from PTV daw tatakbo, 30K. Alright, but that's great too. So, bago umuwi, don't forget to claim, diba, the race kit for June 15. Alright, let's make room for questions, Anthony.
Okay, good afternoon, Coach. Good afternoon, Mr. Reyes. Happy to be here. Question, I would like to know if the format or even the prices for this June 15 is exactly the same as the races that were held in Cebu and Davao.
Yes, the same. Hello? Yeah. Yes, the same siya. Kasi registration fees and everything, kung alin ang kuha sa Cebu, Davao, Manila, the same siya. So same din yung pricing, same din yung cash prices na makukuha nila.
What I mean, Coach, just to clarify, the 30K, those was also offered sa Cebu in Davao, and also the dog race was also offered in Cebu and Davao.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So mirror siya. So mirror siya, and lahat ng distance, lahat ng cash prices, lahat ng items na nakukuha nila, pareho. Nagkaiba lang po is yung color. Yung design is the same.
Shirt, Coach?
Yes. Same.
Oh, the singlet. The race shirt, the singlet is different. Itong Manila is this edition, the one that you see there in the corner. We invite you to later come closer and take photos and videos. So this one is specifically designed for Metro Manila leg. And then Coach was mentioning earlier, yung design ng medal is a dream catcher. Can you tell us more about dream catcher, dream run, Sir Martin?
Our original tagline is, your dreams are focused. No? So what we try to do is we try to enable, as a partner, our customers to achieve their dreams, whether it's a car, it's a house, or a business. When you really look at a marathon, madali yung goals. You set a goal for yourself, but trying to achieve that goal is like a marathon. It's not a sprint. So you go through a lot of difficult. When you challenge yourself to attain your dreams, but at the same time, you really have to start it. And it's the journey that actually makes it fulfilling when you reach your dreams, no? So importante that we equate, running in a marathon is in line with trying to achieve your own personal dreams, no? Whether it's a house, a business, or a relationship, a good relationship that you want to achieve.
Nice. So parang your dream car soon. Tayo na yun sa ISES. Bernadette Tinoy of PTV's. Question.
Hello po. afternoon po. Sir, ano po yung safety measures po natin for this event?
So, thank you for the question. Of course, one of our priority is the safety and security of our participants. So, what we did in Davao and Cebu, no major incident, no minor incident naman. So, we will be replicating that by providing proper hydration, plenty of our ambulances. So, every water station actually meron tayong ambulance and medic. So, in between our hydration or medical ambulances, meron tayong moving medic na naka-bike or naka-scooter just to make sure na yung safety. And of course, yung Philinvest City is a secure area since this is privately owned. So they have a lot of securities na naka-deploy. And of course, we are coordinating with the LGU. And of course, yung mga nag-join ng mga Rodeo races, you know us naman na we have plenty of marshals, we have plenty of traffic personnel to make sure na walang magiging abilya. So, anything na merong incident, we will be there, but hoping wala naman. Pero yung mga kilometer markers and signages, just for your information din, meron siyang contact number. So, just in case tumatakbo kayo, pwede siyang kontakin. Pero meron tayong mga marshals naman na naka-deploy to make sure na if something happen, mabilis tayong mag-respond. So, yun yung main objective natin is yung how fast yung ating respond doon sa incident.
Even the pets are looked out for. So even in periodic locations, there are water stations for the pets. So even that we've thought about.
And thank you sir for reminding me that. We also have a veterinarian. So before mag-start yung race ng ating dog category, meron check-in. So we are making sure na hindi siya in-heat, na vaccinated siya. O kasi pag in-heat siya, for transparency kasi tawag dito, hindi siya controlled. So meron siya makikita, so magiging aggressive siya. So by that, sine-check ng doctor natin, and if a go, then i-allow. If hindi naman at meron threat, pwede natin siyang i-let go. So we are making sure na properly hydrated din sila. So along the route and then sa finish line, meron mag-take care sa kanila.
Alright po. And nabanggit ko po kanina na ito yung last leg po natin, leg 9 na ako ng Cebu. And also may mga prizes and gifts po tayo. Pero meron po ba tayong special gifts sa mga nakakompleto po ng leg? Lalo na sa mga...
So far yung medal lang na muna natin. Siguro next year pag-isipan namin kung paano natin gagawin. But based from our data naman, I think parang very few yung run ng tatlo. But we are observing, we are checking and learning if something na merong interest na gusto niyang tapusin yung locations. I think we will be adding some location next year. So it's a surprise if matutuloy.
Yeah, we're based on the success of the past two, and if Philinvest is also successful, we are looking at other locations. One is Clark, Mimosa basically, but we'll keep quiet on the rest.
Announce na sir. So yun yung plan for next year. We might be adding Mimosa. But of course, while we are looking ahead for our future or next year, we want to concentrate also for this race on June 15. So again, thank you so much for your support and hoping na ma-invite natin yung mga Run Club members para sama-sama tayo doon. Any question?
Yeah. Hi Coach, Andrew from One Sports. Could you give our runners some tips or essentials bilang a few days ago nagsisimula ng umulan ng malakas? So any tips lang para sa mga tatakbo? During the rain, just in case.
Very weird yung ating weather, no? Parang summer, umulan. So thank you for that, no? So I think for hydration naman, I think pwede na natin siyang i-check. Kasi medyo mahirap din magdala ng water bottle or sports drink na dala-dala habang tumatakbo. But for sure, kailangan siyang i-practice, no? Lalo na kapag umuulan. Kapag umuulan, tumatakbo kayo, continue mo lang para at least ma-try mo yung experience. Kasi baka sa race, pag umulan, syempre hindi ka mag-i-stop. Gusto mo siyang ituloy. Unless signal number 1 or very heavy yung race niya. But safe naman na tumakbo ng umulan. Huwag lang mayroong thunderstorm or kidlat or anything. But other than that, I think if you're running a 30K, it's not overnight. I assume your runners who will be running the 30K are prepared for this. And we encourage every runner, if they're running 21K and above, to prepare. Because the experience is actually not good if you're not prepared. Masakit siya. Pero if you are prepared to run your race, it's actually beautiful. Yung feeling, it's something na ayaw ko nang gawin, pero pag-cross mo ng finish line, register ulit ako. Diba? Oo. Diba? Pati yung sense of our community. It's growing, and then you meet new people, and then the age groupers, yung age natin nang nagpa-participate sa mga runs, bumabata siya compared sa before ng pandemic. So, which is good kasi na-encourage natin yung mga younger generation. As you know, before, di ba, kapag yung nasa high school ka, ayaw mong mapawisan or tumakbo. Diba? So, yun yung ano natin. And I think yung sa mga nagpo-coach din, isa lang na yung masasuggest ko, no? Any sports lang. Wag lang natin gawing penalty yung running. Kunwari na late siya. Takbo ka ng 1 lap. Diba? Or late siya, push up ka. So yung mga exercise kasi nangyayari dun sa mga bata. Naano siya na parang nasasawa. Yung sa mind niya, pagtatakbo siya. Ba't ako tatakbo punishment yan. Diba? So yun yung kailangan natin siya alam. Anyway, dun sa mga run clubs, malaking tulong siya. Because mayroon silang sariling training. Actually, nagugulat ako sa mga races natin. Bago mag-gun start, makikita mo sa isang group or isang space, nag-warm up sila properly. So before, hindi I mean, go straight lang sila sa start, then takbo, then injury. Right now, very helpful yung ating growth, mas longer siya kasi mas educated yung ating participants and runners through the run club. Kasi nag-warm up siya, very essential yun. So yun sir. May
Thank you. Jay from One Sports. Yes, ma'am. May question po.
Good afternoon po. I was saying na believe with you. Just to clarify lang po, pang ilang edition na po ito ng East West England po?
Third leg. This is the third leg. We're looking at doing this annually. But for this year, we had Davao, Cebu, and then Philinvest.
So overall po, first edition?
First edition, yes. First year.
Sir, dito po sa first edition ng Dream Run, ano yung mga insights naman so yung makuha since you've been saying you want to expand this, you want to make this an annual event po?
That's why I encourage you to come, and even if you don't intend to run, experience it. Because aside from the actual runners, there are a lot of families, no? And you will see the interaction between the parents and the kids. Nakakainganyo eh. And then makikita mo rin, minsan the people don't just bring 1 or 2 pets, they have 4 sometimes. May malaki, may maliit. In fact, ang pagtakbo nga nila, may nakita na ako, ang bumagsak yung may-ari, hindi yung pet owner, hindi yung So, it's the experience of community that is nice and wonderful, and that we want to be a partner in fostering that sense of community, camaraderie, and bonding between families and between people of different colors as well as different runners.
Thank you po.
Alright, thank you. We have one more here. Maybe let's make room for 2 more.
You can isa while we are...
Hi, good afternoon po. I'm Yuden from FlexStar.com. So this is for Coach Leo. Since you've mentioned earlier the growing community now, which we all see naman, how can you help spread running etiquette among the community? Especially we've been seeing, for example lang naman, isolated cases, running groups with loudspeakers, groups who are taking up the entire sidewalk, yung mga ganun ba? Because yes, we're getting educated with the sport, but how about for the etiquette naman among the communities?
Thank you, and very interesting question and very helpful. So as you know, I'm a head coach of Philippine Track and Field team, and also I'm one of the head coach of a running community. So we are in Runvio also. We are partnering with different run clubs, and during our sessions, in the sessions na yung ako yung nag-lead, so with partnership with the other running clubs. So, make sure namin na yung pag-manage ng crowd, lalo na sa mga area na medyo mayroon ding mga non-runners. Na, kunwari, you're running 20 or 30 runners, so at least by one line lang or by two if maluwag. And then if not, pwede nilang isakupin. Pero maging mindful lang doon sa mga ibang tao na dumadaan doon sa lugar na yon. And then second is yung pag-inform kasi maraming bago no? Maraming bagong runners ngayon. And very helpful nga yung mga run clubs because sila yung nagbibigay ng character doon sa mga runner. Kasi kung ano yung ginagawa ng run club, yun din yung gagawin nila kasi yun yung nakasanayan, lalo na pagbago. Pero kapag maganda yung pasimula natin sa kanila, yun yung ipafollow nila. So that's why very helpful yung ating mga run club. Me, as much as possible, I'm trying my best whenever I organize training runs. And also in our races, diba, si Risa always inform yung etiquette ng mga runners. Not only yung pag-run sa mga establishment, but also sa runs. Diba? Kasi siyempre, mayroong mga mabibilis, mayroong ding intermediate, and then mayroong beginner. So yung paglagay nila doon sa mga wading, so makakatulong din yun kasi parang hindi sila makakaabala doon sa mga runners na gustong magmabilis. No?
I can attest to that. A long time ago, natin pa ng ilang decades, I used to run in high school. So I used to run marathon. Hindi pa usong marathon nun. Ang mangyayari nun is you just show up. And then nobody, like they do right now, they organize everybody and they give instructions and they give helpful guidelines. Nung araw, wala. Medyo high school lang ako, tapos kalaban namin mga season runner. It's a different experience, tapos sabay-sabay yung pagtakbo. So, if not properly guided, nagkakasikuhan, nagkakabanggaan. Sa simula pa lang, maraming bumabagsak. So, I think it's helpful now that you have the run clubs, you have Coach Rio here that actually coaches aspiring runners. And then you have different distances. Before, isa lang or dalawa lang. Hindi siya manage at all. And in fact, bahala na kami kung mauhaw kami. Ganun ng araw. So there were no sponsors. So right now, it's much better. Much better.
One more, sir. So, one more thing pala. Actually, I am very happy as a coach. Because when I started coaching and organizing mga training runs, running trainings back in 2001, I think very few people lang, I think 3 or 4 yung coaches na nagpa-facilitate. So, from that moment, parang hindi namin kaya to educate yung mga runners all throughout. So that's why we are very happy na nag-grow yung running community kasi meron na kaming katulong to spread yung proper etiquette, proper running form, proper training. So every time, actually yung isang instance na sa BGC, nagra-run kami ng group. So mayroong isang runner doon na every time na dadaan kami, mayroong mga naglalakad. Sinasabi niya na, excuse me, so parang pinapatuloy niya. So, kinausap ko siya, sabi ko, huwag mo na lang sabihin excuse or patabihin. Tayo na lang yung umiwas kasi nakikidaan lang tayo. So, I think ganun din naman yung ginagawa ng mga ibang run club, no? And yung etiquette na yun is malaking bagay na makakuha tayo ng respect and ma-encourage natin yung mga non-runners na nakikita nila tayo. Kasi pag nakita nila tayo, uy, ang dami nang tumatakbo, I want to join that group. So ganun yung gusto nating ma-implant doon sa mindset ng mga non-participants. Hindi yung pag tumatakbo tayo, ay yabang naman yung mga grupo na yan, pinapaalis. So parang ganun yung iniiwasan natin. So very helpful yung mga coaches, new coaches and new run clubs na tumutulong sa pag-spread ng fitness and true running po.
Alright, thank you. Oh, there's a follow-up.
Last na rin, coaches. Sobrang taas na ng demand for running events. More of like a personal question lang po. But Are there things contributing to the increase in registration fees instead of like going down?
Yes, merong mga factor din. Of course, yung supply natin, karamihan ng galing pa sa China, like yung medal. So, meron siyang cost. And also yung venue, meron din siyang mga cost. And pag nag-join ka sa Run Rio, makikita mo naman yung pagkakaiba sa mga ibang races. Kasi yung sa manpower pa lang na nilalagay. Siguro, we have event this Sunday. So yung total number of manpower namin is between 2,000 to 3,000. So it's like one fun run. No, and it's not free. So we are paying them.
It's justified by the way they organize it. So you feel secure, safe, and well taken care of. So malaking bagay ho yun, especially when you're running and then you're trying to get over the wall and naghihirap ka doon. So wala kang naisipin. So I think it's worth it. And of course, we try to see if we can improve the fees moving forward. Through your help, the more runners, maybe the better the price. And the more people are interested in it, the more sponsors, so we can bring down the cost for everybody.
Coach, to Sir Martin. Sir, East West is a banking company. No? Had the company think of something that could help the runners while they enjoy running? They can also help themselves save and earn while going through your company.
That's a good question. At the moment, it's about fitness, it's about health. But this is one way for us to expand the creation of activities for the community. So the success will lead to more activities, maybe something about savings, something about how do you foster, how do you save, or how do you achieve your goals, or your dreams for your family. So it starts with awareness, and then once we are able to make this successful, we can actually grow the activities that we can put together with the running. So siguro for every kilometer we have to save something, but those are the things we can start thinking of. We can do some variations for the run, para instead of calling it 1K, we say 10,000 savings run, but it's a 10,000 mile. 10,000 mile. 10K. Okay.
Last question, Coach. Meron ba kayong naisip na unique na category, like dito, team competition, ang daming teams dito? Kung pwede rin kami sumali sa media team namin kasi kasali kami sa Masters, meron ba kayong mga naiisip na ibang category?
Pwede po natin yan i-consider, but for this year, we concentrated doon sa dog category, which is hindi naman lahat ng races meron dog category. Second, yung 2 kilometer for kids and family. We will align with our partner, with S-Quest, if we can bring or add age groupers or team competitions or press competitions.
Or we can make it more fun, may team, may costume yung mga tao. So what we just want to do is get it started, and then if it's very successful, we'll keep on iterating and make it fun and interesting for everybody. Together with Coach Leo.
Of course, yung main focus for this year is number 1, to inform the running community that East West is been helping us to bring a good event and hoping to grow the number of participants next year. We just want to make sure na yung experience ng bawat runners natin when they join this first race is maganda. And just to share one more thing, so I think I'm very proud and happy with all of us here yung progress ng running sa Pilipinas. Back in 1990s or 1997, yung running sa Philippines, if you organize race, or if you join the race, walang road closure. Okay? Hydration, tap water. Okay? Wala rin siyang timing shift, bibigyan ka ng stroke. And then yung safety, tatakbo ka with cars, So ngayon, maganda kasi number one, yung mga LGUs and private entity, nagsusupport sila every Sunday to close the road. So which is very helpful for the security. And of course, a lot of sponsors like Water and Sports Day na nagsusupport na hindi na tayo yung tinatabo yung tubig o iinumin. So I'm not sure if na-experience that, but for now, we haven't experienced that anymore. So yung growth niya medyo maganda, and of course, nasa-servicean natin ng mas maayos yung mga runners natin. Sometimes merong you cannot control, but of course, dapat hindi na siya maulit. So every time we learn from it and making sure na everybody have a good run or na-enjoy nila yung race nila. But we are open for other suggestion, maybe for after this race, no? If meron kayo mga suggestion na, uy, pwede nyo itong idagdag. So pag-aralan namin. We are open. We are not closing our door na 1K, 2K, 5K, 10K, 21, or 30K lang siya. Okay?
Good afternoon po. I'm Dave from What's Up PH. Since we've discussed po about the safety measures, guidelines for our runners, can you share more po about the ground rules for our pets? Magkaiba po ba yung sa mga tatakbo na pets and yung mga nasa manonood lang po with the family or loved ones? Ito po.
Magkaiba po yung
Ground rules po.
ng pets at saka po yung
Yung pets po na sasali po sa one day and yung mga pets na dala-dala po ng family.
Okay. So, kailangan po naka-register, no? So, when you register 1 kilometer, you have to register yung may-ari at saka yung dog. Kasi meron din po silang mga bandana. So, may bid number din yun. Yung bandana lang yung bibigay natin. No? So, meron siyang identification na